Welcome back to part 2 of my complete guide on how to sell video games through eBay. If you missed part 1, you're going to want to make sure and go back and watch it. I basically showed you how to find video games that you're going to sell. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the videos to get them ready to sell. But if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and on this channel I give you the best tips, tools, and news to improve your eBay store. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are closing in on 50 subscribers. I just want to thank everybody who's already pushed that subscribe button, everybody who's going to push that subscribe button. But enough of that, we're going to get into the video. So I'm mainly covering discs today because I don't have any cartridges. If I get any cartridges, I'll make sure to do an update video on that. But a lot of the tools you can get from the dollar store. You're going to need cotton balls. You're going to need some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. You want to do a higher percentage than 50. The percentage is just like water to alcohol ratio. You want to get about 90%. I don't have it. This is what I have. Nail polish remover is also good. And then we're going to have some Goo Gone. Now this stuff is magic. And you don't use this all the time. You only want to use this when you have like sticker grime left over on cases. You just put a little bit on this. It'll take it right off. So what you do, and I've already done this because whatever, is basically you take off all the stickers and yeah, just make sure that you have a bare case. By the way, has anybody played this game? Comment below if you've played this game. I've never played it, don't know about it, but it was a good seller, or it's a good seller. It's about $15 on this, but you take off all the stickers, make sure it's clean, and again, if you have a little grimy residue, that's where the Goo Gone comes in play. And if you're going to use Goo Gone, my biggest tip is to open the case, take the paper out, because that stuff, if it touches the paper, it's just like a nightmare. It does not come off easy. So you don't use it all the time again, but you'll use it sometimes, and that's how you get the sticker residue off. And for the disc, that's where the alcohol and the cotton swabs are going to come in. You just take it and clean around the disc. Pretty straightforward there. I don't need to show you, and I've already cleaned it off. But I use 2 cotton swabs, one with alcohol, wipe it down, and then a dry one to clean it off. And you just have to look at it, make sure that it looks pretty clean. I clean almost all my discs, but I do look at them and see if they're dirty. But let me show you real quick the power of Goo Gone. So right now I have a PlayStation 1 Jammy Lammy. Pretty cool game. Never actually played it, but I looked at it online. Looks pretty cool. So there is a little sticker residue right here. And actually I might not even use Goo Gone. There's a little sticker residue, so let's get that clean. So like I said, you take a cotton swab and we're just gonna get it and just rub the disc. Now you want to be careful not to take like the actual cover art off, but as you see here, we're just rubbing. I would say go with the green or whatever, but I don't think it's that important. And so you see there now, some of the thing is coming off, but whatever. I think we're good. But you just clean it up. And while I'm cleaning this, I should tell you, if you have a scratched disc, first of all, try not to get scratched discs and make it easy on everybody. But if you have a scratched disc, look at local video game stores. I have a Game Over in my area, and Game Over, they have it's called a JF Easy Pro, I believe. It's about a $3,000 machine, but it does very well with taking off some minor scratches. I only do that with expensive game because it's $3 for them to do it. But that's good if you have a scratch game and you want it to look nice before you sell it. But again, you only want to do that for the expensive games because $3 a game, you're just eating up all your profits. On a $15 game, you're almost getting nothing if you clean it. But check your local video game stores, not the Evil Empire GameStop. I'm talking about your local. I mean, I think Game Over is pretty much everywhere. I think they're a franchise or whatever they are, but um, there's a lot of local ones that are good. And just see if they clean disc, and if they do, um, there you have it. But enough rambling about that. Here is just the cleaning process of the disc, and there's the after. As you see, one cotton swab, I was switching between the wet and the dry, and when you clean it off, you just got to make sure there's no streaks on it, and this disc is ready to go. And that's it. That's how you clean the disc. And that's it. That's how you clean the disc. This was a quick video, like I said. This is part of a mega series where I'm taking you from A to Z on how to sell video games. Again, if you didn't watch part 1, make sure to go watch that, or at least some of it. It was kind of long because I'm showing you how to find video games, so 2 times speed is going to be your friend. And again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when part 3 is released. Like button and comment all the social media stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.